Hello, welcome. Question number 9A, WASSCE 2025 Nigeria version, section B. Mrs. O2 spent 1/9 of her monthly salary on rent, 1/2 on food, and 1/4 on clothes, and still had $195 left. So, how much does he earn in a month? There are two ways we can get this: solving it as what? Word problem in terms of equation, or solving it as a fraction left or fraction spent. I'll use the equation aspect and leave the fraction aspect for you to do and share in the comment section, because I've already talked about this in some of the episode. So the first thing we can do is let X be the monthly. So we let X be the monthly salary, then amount spent on rent is going to be, he's spending 1/9 of the salary. You see, this is the fraction he spent. So he spent 1/9 of this money. Then for food, he also spent 1/2 of this money. Then for clothing, he spent 1/4 of this, and still have amount left. Okay, that is it. So let's leave that way. So this is what we have. So if this is my salary, I spend this, and still have amount left to be $195. It means that when I add 1, 2, 3, 4, I should be getting what I took from the bank, or what I take as what? My salary. So this implies that the 1/9 of the salary for rent, 1/2, 1/4, plus the remaining 195, all must be equal to the salary. Okay, so in this case we can deal with our LCM here. This is going to be 36, right? So 36 go here, that will be 4x. 36 go here, 18. 36, 9x, then 36 times 195 will give you 7020 equals to 36 times what? X, as using the LCM to be 36. And if we add this is going to be 20, 22, 31, right? So to have 31x plus 70, 20, 36x. So now we can group like terms. 36x, then we subtract 31x. This is coming here. This is already here. Okay, or how do we do it? This is going there, leaving this one. Okay, 31 is positive, going there as negative, remaining 70 and what? 20. This will give you 5x, 70, 20, x 70, 20 divided by what? 5. Let's see what that will give us. And that will give us 1404. What are we looking for? The salary. So we can say, therefore, Mrs. O2 salary is going to be 1,400 and what? $4. All right. This is just one aspect of doing it. You can find the total fractions, subtract from the one which is total, then create a proportion of that. If that total fraction minus 1 give you 195, then 1 as a whole will give you more. If more, let's divide. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.